M-Hive, a smart backup solution for your Marketo assets. M-Hive is a secure, cloud-based backup solution for your Marketo assets, even if your Marketo subscription is cancelled. It lets you back up and restore your emails, email templates, landing pages templates. To set this backup pro into motion, follow these quick steps. To create an account, we have to go to Grazitti's M-Hive webpage and sign up for a new account by filling in a quick form and clicking register. Activate your M-Hive account by clicking on the Activate M-Hive button received in your email. Once activated, complete your profile. To link your Marketo instance with M-Hive, click on the Set Marketo Configuration tab. Next, add your Marketo REST API details to connect both the instances. To get an overview of all the sections and features in M-Hive, click on the Start Marketo Asset Tour button in the top right corner. To configure asset backup, select the asset for which you want to take the backup. For instance, if you want to do it for email assets, click on Emails in the dashboard. Then you'll see the list of all your email assets. Simply choose the email you want to take the backup for. In the upper right corner, click on the Run Backup Now button and you'll get a pop-up when your backup starts. When the asset backup is done, you'll get a pop-up indicating that your backup is complete. You can preview your last backup date and last updated individually for each asset. To refresh assets list. When you refresh your asset list, any new assets in Marketo will be automatically added to the list of the assets in M-Hive. Click on the Refresh List button on the upper right corner. You'll get a pop-up when the process is in progress. After a successful refresh, you'll get a pop-up indicating that your new assets are now added successfully. Additionally, you can view your assets after backup in 3 ways through icons present on the top right corner of the Edit section, i.e., Code, Split, and Design View. The Code view gives you a look at the HTML code. The Split view gives you a multi-pane look at the HTML code and a visual design side by side. The Design view gives a visual representation of your code. To restore assets. If you edit any asset in Marketo, you can easily restore it to any previous version. First, you need to back up the edited asset to M-Hive. Then choose the same asset in M-Hive, like InvitEmail. Then navigate next to your view icons in the upper right corner. Click on the extreme right Restore button. When the restore process begins, you'll get a pop-up indicating that the process has started. Once it's done, you'll get a pop-up indicating that your asset has been restored. To schedule asset backup, you can schedule the asset backup according to your needs. Select the Schedule Auto Backup tab. Add the No. of days for auto backup. This can be on a weekly, monthly, or on-demand basis. Next, you can schedule the time at which you want the backup to start. And voila! You are done with the setup. So, just sit back and watch the Backup Pro in action. Want to know more about how M-Hive can help you? Just drop us a line at info@grazitti.com and we'll take it from there.